Hello, Joe here from Infinity of Tacoma. Today I'm going to tell you about this lovely 2016 Hyundai Sonata SE that we have for sale. We acquired this from Hyundai Financial. It's an off-lease vehicle. We have a very diverse pre-owned inventory. We sell a lot of different used vehicles besides Infinities. So of course we jumped at the opportunity of having this nice one-owner clean Carfax West Coast off-lease vehicle in our inventory. 31,953 miles. Really nice upscale interior. Hyundai has done a great job with the Sonata. They're nipping at the heels of the Toyota Camry and Honda Accord, and for very good reason. Hyundai has done a tremendous job improving the Sonata. It's come a long ways since it first came into introduction, I think in the early 90s. Nice spacious interior, nice premium feel to it, great performance and gas mileage. Excuse me, just getting over a cold. EPA city rating 25 miles per gallon, EPA highway rating 38 miles per gallon, which is excellent for a car this size, and it has plenty of power too from that 2.4 liter 4-cylinder engine. 6-speed automatic transmission, great infotainment system, backup camera. This one has all-season floor mats. Great for the wet, slippery weather we have here in the Pacific Northwest. Carpeted floor mats have a tendency to get destroyed fairly quickly in our wet climate. Nice Deluxe alloy wheels, tinted windows, go nicely with the black exterior. Interior space is excellent, even in the back seat. I'm 6'2". Look at all this space I have, it's just tremendous. If you're thinking about maybe using your car for Uber or Lyft, your Uber rating will definitely benefit from all that rear leg room back there. The rear room in general for passengers. First aid kit still in the plastic. Plenty of trunk space. Trunk mounted spoiler. For a little bit more of a performance look. Just because you have a commuter sedan doesn't mean it needs to be vanilla and boring. And that's certainly not the case with this Sonata. It also is backed by a 5-day, 100% money-back guarantee. We want to make sure you're happy with the purchase you make from us, be it new or pre-owned. That's why we have that 5-day money-back guarantee. No gimmicks, no restocking fees. It is 100% money back. The 2.4 liter 4-cylinder engine is a workhorse engine for the Hyundai product line. You also see it in their other company, Kia. They're under the similar ownership, so they share a lot of components in both their vehicles. So you'll see that 2.4 liter 4-cylinder engine in plenty of Hyundai and Kia products. It's proven to be an excellent, reliable power plant, and obviously it's very fuel efficient as well. Thank you so much for taking the time today to watch this video. Hopefully we see you in our store very soon, and have a wonderful day.